Welcome to this tutorial on finding legislative hearings within the New Jersey Digital Publications Library. The New Jersey Digital Publications Library offers free, full-text access to New Jersey's legislative hearings. You do not need an active library card to use it or download items. The Digital Publications Library is organized into collections by author. For instructions on how to find the Digital Publications Library, please view our tutorial on the New Jersey State Publications Digital Library available at the link on your screen. The legislative hearings can be found within the Legislature's collection. Click on the Legislature link. Hearings are organized by year in ascending order. Please note that not all legislative hearings are available. Click on the blue title link to access the hearings. The results will be in the order in which they were added to the collection. However, you can sort them chronologically or by committee author by clicking on any of these preferences. All hearings within the digital library are full-text searchable. You can search for keywords within a single year or across all hearings within the collection. For this example, I am looking for hearings from 2018 associated with hazardous waste. Click on the blue title link to access the hearing. On the next page, you can access the hearings by clicking either the file name or the file image. Once the document loads, you can download it, print it, or search within the document by pressing Ctrl F. Please note, while appendices, including public submissions and testimony, are included where available, copyrighted materials such as newspaper clippings have been removed before digitization. To find these items, please visit the New Jersey State Library to see the original print document. If you have any questions or need help using the State Publications Digital Library, please contact the reference desk by phone or email. Thanks for watching.